Hi, welcome to PL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about DML operations in PL block. We can do DML in PL like insert, delete, update and merge operations. To reproduce the issue, first we will create a new table now we will execute this one, and here we can see the table created successfully. If I check the data from this table, and after executing this one, here we can see no records from this table. Now we will insert some value to this table by using PL block. So now we will execute this one. Here we can see anonymous block completed, and let's see the inserted data from this table. Here we can see the table data. Those are inserted by using this PL block. So I just want to count the value. Select. If I execute this one, here we can see the total count 5000. So we can use the commit statement inside after the insert statement here. So I just want to write here commit, and I just want to roll back all the data first. Roll back. If I execute this one, and here we can see the total records. There is no records because we execute this rollback. So if I execute the PL block again to insert the 5000 data into test ins DML table, so our PL block completed, and our commit operation also done. So if I check the data, and here we can see the 5000 records available now. Now we will update some records in test ins DML table. So let's do by using the PL. And if I execute this one, anonymous block completed, and now we will check the records from this table by using this CTP statement. And here we can see the update operation completed successfully by using the PL block. Now we will delete some records by using the PL block. Let's see. In here I just want to write delete statement, DML statement, and I just want to remove this one, and our record will be deleted one by one by using the ID for value I. So if I execute this one, and after executing this statement, let's see the data from this table, and here we can see nothing found from this table. So our DML delete operation completed successfully. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.